Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install a 5G SIM card in the Boox Palma 2 Pro. Open the SIM card port, push it out, and place your SIM card into the slot. Then push it back into the device. Now go into Settings, then Network and Connection, then SIMs, and you'll see your SIM card detected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.